Hello everyone, today I have a power bank by Auskang. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get the ultra thin power bank, USB-C cable, and the user manual. This awesome portable charger is made of stainless steel. It's 5mm thick and weighs only 97 grams, making it very comfortable and convenient to carry with you. Because of its size, it's easy to take it with you when putting it in a bag, wallet, or pocket. Other big and heavy power banks that don't even include a charging cable make it much harder and inconvenient to carry with you. The Auskang power bank has a lightning cable built in that fits all iPhones, so you don't have to worry about carrying an extra cable with you. On the side, it has the power button and a USB-C port that supports input, output, and pass-through charging. Auskang specializes in ultra-thin electronics, especially in portable chargers. Their products are designed extremely slim and light for everyone's daily use, so check them out.